Hello. I said I was going to do stuffed peppers. We're going to do stuffed peppers. Okay, I know you can see you see the bubbling? That's just because I put the produce wash in and then I put the water on top of it. It creates bubbles. It's nothing to worry about. But I got 2 packs here because they are $1.87, I think it was, in at Walmart. Stuffed peppers must be made. Okay. So I think I have everything set up. I'm using ground pork, ground beef. No, ground pork and ground chicken, sorry. I'm gonna mix them together, which you're gonna see. I've got, I know you can't see because I don't have my other camera on yet, diced tomatoes. Found these for 45 cents a can. You betcha we got as many as we could with leaving just a handful. I'm regretting that decision, but it's okay. Tomato sauce. I do have another thing of tomato sauce here, like the ones I made. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be using this just because this one's a little thinner than the store-bought one. And then I've got sloppy Joe mix. My husband put me onto this. He made cabbage rolls and put this in it and all the flavorings were there. It's like, what? So we're gonna do it with stuffed peppers and I think it's going to work. And I won't need to add any other seasonings. Okay, now let me turn my other camera on and we'll get started. Okay, so we're gonna start by making the sauce. This I didn't have ready because I need a can opener. So we're going to put, oops, sorry. We're gonna put our, oh, listen to that pop. Put our sloppy Joe mix in. And it has peppers. Oh, if I can find it, I will post a video for making this. Because I don't remember everything that's in it. And then I'm going to add the can of tomato sauce. Just because I am looking for that thicker consistency. Because when I make the stuffed peppers, I use raw peppers, which you're going to see in a few minutes. Scrape this out. Now just getting everything in a pot here so that way I can get it heated up. Just so that way I know it's nice and warm and it will help cook the peppers. I already have, oops, I will wash my hands. I already have my peppers washed, or they're sitting here getting washed. I have my oven preheated to 375. And I have the white rice. I have it washed. I have half a cup of rice. Okay, so let's make the meat mixture. I need another bowl. We are going to mix them together. Okay. Can you see? Yeah, kind of. I'm gonna move the peppers. Okay. And this will be 2 pounds because I got roughly a pound of ground pork. And I think I just hit the camera, sorry. And a pound of ground chicken. In. Okay. Give me 1 second. I need to wash my hands. Okay. Now, keeping this pretty simple. Like I said, I got half a cup of rice. I think that's gonna be well more than enough for the 2 pounds of meat. Just need a spoon. Okay, so let's get this mixed together. And we will put a little bit of that sauce mix in here. just to help get it all mixed together. Okay, so that is pretty well combined. I'm gonna add another ladle of the tomato sauce. Yes, okay. Now, oh goodness. We're gonna put in some salt and pepper. About half a teaspoon of each. And then I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of Italian seasoning. And as soon as I remember where I put it, we're gonna add in some of this. Oh, sorry, I got it. Okay, here we go. Some of this, the Worcestershire sauce. I'm gonna turn that sauce down again. And, oh, I hope I wasn't blocking you every time I did that. Okay. And we're gonna put in a couple drops of liquid smoke. If I can get it open. Okay. Now, get that stirred together. Oh, it smells so good. Love liquid smoke. Okay. All right, I'm gonna be right back because I gotta finish getting the peppers prepped, and we'll be right back. Okay. Now, this is how I like doing mine. I just find it easier to stuff them, to be honest. There's no real reason why. It's just so much easier to stuff them. Cut them in half. Rip that part out. Get that out. Now I'm gonna have to rinse them out again. Okay. Here we go. Little boats. Makes it so much easier to stuff them. Okay. Let's get the rest of them done. Okay, so we are washed, chopped up, ready to go. I know a lot of people parboil them. I choose not to do that, so that way they're still a little crunchy in the end. They're not whooshy. Okay, so we're just going to fill it up. And then I'm just going to line them up in the roasting pan. Hopefully, I should be able to get them all in here. Okay, so get them all done. Be right back. Okay, to all that I ended up with half a pepper left. I didn't have enough filling for, so we're just going to chop it up. And it's just gonna go in. Okay. All right, so let me move this stuff out of the way for a second. Okay. So you can see that. Oh, that looks beautiful and ready. Okay. What we're gonna do, I might need that, so we're just going to set that to the side. We're going to pour this sauce on top of it. And then the liquid from the peppers and the meat cooking will also add more liquid to this. That was hot. Yep, I did need that. Okay. Oh, sorry guys. Now, I feel like that is not enough liquid, so I'm going to add this can of diced tomatoes, or no, I'm not. I'm going to add the jar of sauce. Change my mind. Beautiful sound. We're just going to pour that in. Yeah, that's enough liquid. Okay. Now, into the oven for at least 45 minutes to an hour. I'll let you know. Okay. So it's definitely been about 45 minutes. We're gonna check it. And I get asked a lot. I use a meat thermometer, and I check the temperature of the meat. So we're going to turn that on. All right, we're gonna pull these out. I'm sorry for all the commotion in the background. Okay. Let's, oh, how gorgeous is that? Okay, I probably could have got away without adding that jar of sauce, but it's okay. Oh, we're definitely done. We're at one, can you see? Oh no, you can't see. We're at 190 and climbing. Where's you? There you are. Yeah. These are definitely done. Check one more just to make sure. 190. Yeah, 190. We're done. Okay. Gonna stick that over there for the moment. Okay, so there we go. Not gonna be eating these right away because they need to cool down a little bit because I enjoy my mouth. Okay, we're gonna redo the ending because I didn't like the first one. So make sure to let me know how you guys do your these aren't cabbage rolls, these are stuffed peppers. Don't forget to let me know how you make your stuffed peppers. Do you think maybe you might try the Sloppy Joe mix? I'm hoping these are going to be good. Again, I'm still not trying them. I like my mouth. I don't want to burn my mouth. Okay, so don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button. And we'll be back again pretty soon. Bye.